You got new braids in your hair, big girl? You look real pretty. Yeah, what is that? Huh? How's your sister doing? You okay down there, Nika? You look real hot. You look nice with your braids, girl. You look nice with your braids.